Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to drive Audi A8 Automatic, only way. Adjust seat, mirrors, and steering, press brake, start engine, shift to D, release parking brake, and accelerate smoothly. Keep hands at 9 and 3, observe blind spots, and use adaptive cruise or lane assist when available. Practice smooth throttle control and braking to preserve ride comfort and transmission longevity. Stay calm and focused while learning each step. Warm and simple steps make starting stress-free and safe. With the brake pressed, start the engine and confirm systems are ready, then select D for forward motion. Release the parking brake and accelerate gently to build confidence. If you encounter hills, use hold functions or manual mode briefly to control speed. Always monitor traffic and signals, and practice these steps in a quiet area until they feel natural and secure. Focus on smooth inputs and anticipation to enjoy the Audi A8's refinement. Ease onto the throttle to prevent abrupt gear changes and let the transmission adapt. Scan ahead and coast off the gas when traffic slows, reducing wear and improving comfort. Use driver assists like lane centering and adaptive cruise in steady traffic for a relaxed experience. Practice city and highway routines separately until each feels effortless and predictable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.